Chai!
No be juju be that. Photo.
There is God. Oh.
Apostle, we hear of this.
Your camera on a tripod stand or ring light. Record an empty background for 5 seconds. Then go and pick one of your t-shirts and throw it in front of the camera. Go and pick the t-shirt and wear it, and come and stand in front of the camera. And then you jump and stay there for a second, then rise up, and do your action. Nice. That's the video we are going to do a magic with. So let's go to Cupcut sharp. But before that, follow me and subscribe. Share the video that to go to viral for everyone to watch it. If you don't understand something, go straight on my comment section, put your question over there or answer you sharp. Let's go. Before that, my name is Etonam Kamasan. If you don't know how to say, just say Etonam hi on the comment section. I'll grab your opinion and help you with your idea or what you want to know about this video. I'll help you with it free. Let's go. So click on Cupcut so that we can go there and do our thing sharp. Click on new project. After you click on new project, click on the video that you want to edit, add it to the Cupcut. It will show here like this. Click on the video, it will get inside that this white line like this. Then you go and look for volume. Remove the volume to 0. After you remove the volume to 0, go and look at where you start recording. You end up recording the empty background. Here's mine. Have you seen it? So I'm going to click my own. I'm going to cut it here. Click on split. Here's the split. Click on it. When you click on the split, go there and look for overlay. Click on overlay. If you come here, like put your hand on it. Then you drag it to the end like this. Thank you. Then when you do it like this, click on the first one so that it will be on the line. Go and look for freeze. Go and look for freeze. Here is the freeze. Click on it like this. To show like this. Then you drag it to the end. It is 2. You can delete 1. Then you drag this one to the end of the video like this. Thank you. When you drag it here small, you can use it to throw it down like this small. For this one, you are going to delete it. Thank you. After that, go and click on that one, the first second one. Click on it like the way I'm clicking it. Then look at where you throw the t-shirt. Have you seen it? This is the t-shirt I've thrown out. Have you seen the t-shirt? So when it is about to get down like this, you can cut it here. I'm going to cut my own here like this. Click on split and it will split like this. If not endo, go there and look at where you are about to jump. Nice like this. Have you seen it? So here is it. You are about to jump. Have you seen it? So click on this one like this. Click on split. Click on the left one. This is the center one. Have you seen it? Have you seen it? Click on this one like this. Then you delete it. Put your hand on it. It will vibrate. Push it here and let it be in the line of this one. Like the way I'm doing it nicely. Have you seen it? Thank you. So let's play the video and see what you have get now. Nice. Have you seen it? Thank you. So when you jump out, you go down. So when you are about to rise up like this, this is the place you are about to rise up. So you click on this one. Have you seen it? You click on it like this. You click on it like this. Click on split. When you click on the split, go here and go to the end. This is the place we are going to end up the video. Have you seen it? We are about to end up the video. So let me end it here. I'm going to click on split and delete this one. This password are not doing it, so I just click on it and I just click on this one. This place subground, I don't need it. Here is the place I'm going to So I don't need this place. Click on it, click on split like this. Have you seen it? Click on it and delete it like this. Here's it. You can drag it to be on the line like this nicely. Fine. We have not end. This one, click on it, go down. Have you seen it? Down line. This one first, this is the first, second one like this. Have you seen it? So you are going to drag this one down like this. Thank you. When you drag this one, let this one come here. Click here. Have you seen it? Here the t-shirt. Have you seen the color of the t-shirt over here? So you are going to look for remove VG. Click on customer remover. After you click on customer remover, reduce the set of the brush. Then click on the brush over there. Go straight and put your hand on the t-shirt that you throw in the air. So you do it like the way I'm doing it. Use the color, this red paint tool, to paint it very nice. Take your time and do it very nice. So when you are watching the video, try and follow, so that anytime I post this video like this, you'll be the first person to watch it among the rest. Thank you. Yeah, if you don't know anything to say, just say hi, I turn on. I will respond to your comments. And this is how I do my own. Then you mark it. So let's go and watch the video from the beginning and see what you've made now so far. Have you seen it? Good. Yeah. Thank you. So that's it. I will see this one. You click on it like this. Then you go and click on remove the background. Remove VJ. Remove VJ. Click on auto remover. When you click on auto remover, allow it to remove. Have you seen it remove? Then mark it. When you mark it, now you are going to start the work. This is the work you are going to start. Have you seen it? So here you click on it like this. Then you click on keyframe. This is the keyframe. When you click on it like this, remove the keyframe. You show here small in the this plus. Have you seen the plus in some box there? Rectangle, I don't know what to call it. And then you click on it to show here red. Thank you. When you click on it, crop the video, crop it small. Have you seen it? Put it inside the t-shirt like this. Inside the t-shirt like this. Then use your hand to scroll it. Have you seen? When you are scrolling it, have you seen it? Then you enter another keyframe again. Put another keyframe here again. Now you put another keyframe here again. Then you'll be enlarging your video like how you want it to be. Have you seen it? You go here, yeah. You go here, then you also move this one here and enlarge it small. This one's a corner. Have you seen it? Then you put another keyframe here and enlarge it here. You put it down here like this. I'm doing it. Make it large like the way you want it. Let it be nice. Do it nice. Yeah, this is how I do my own. So let's play the video and see the magic. Have you seen it? Have you seen the magic? Have you seen the magic? Yeah, look at it very well. Yeah, look at the video and do it very well. This is the magic we are doing here. Yeah, this is the magic we all are doing here. Thank you. So you can go here. If you don't have your own nice, you can go here and click on it. I will send it. When you click on it, this sign will show how what to put in over there. Sign will show here. Then you enlarge it small. You can crop it here small like this. Then you move this one. I will send it. This one so can move. You move this one and look at it very well. I will send it. This is the place. Enlarge this one to cover this one like this. Enlarge it to cover this one like this. Nice like this. So let's play the video and see the magic one. The magic that you have made now. Have you seen it? Good. This is so this one supposed to be here. let it put his head on this one like this. So let's play the video. Good. That's it. Like this again. Yeah. Yeah. Listen it. Yeah, rising. Yeah, good. Then you do your own like this. So this one I'm doing here is like it's like I'm teaching you guys. That's why I'm doing like this. So you go and take your time and do it very nicely. Listen. Yeah, take your time and do it very nice. Before that, don't forget to follow me. Bye bye.